Okay, so you've gotten this far. You've got both speaker holes. You've got the phone cut out. They're all centered on midpoints and midlines. Very cool, very precise. We need to make some cutouts here for the sound to get into the speakers. So we've laid out these beautiful guidelines, 1/4 to either side of the midline and 1 inch to either side of that. And this 1 inch is going to be the pathway for the sound to get into the phone speaker. So we're going to use the arc tool to make that. That's this guy, this little one on top that you can see. You don't have to pick the one that flies out. And we're going to start right here at this 1 inch line where it meets the edge. But it's important that it's green. You want to make sure your protractor is in this plane. Click once, then come out to here, the 1/4, and click a second time. Then you just move back to the left and it starts swinging an arc. Okay, a 1 inch arc. And I'm going to snap on quarter circle. Nice. Do the same thing on this side. Click, click, click. You can see those little arcs. So neat and tidy. It looks kind of like we've got a little cat in a top hat or something. So those arcs are going to give our phone a chamber to get the sound out. Now let's see, or a passageway rather. All right, now we just need our line tool. Connect the dots. We're going to connect from the corner here right over to the edge of the circle. Now this is kind of important. When we connect to the edge of the circle, we need to see this intersection. I don't like that it says outside active though. So let's go from this side. From this corner, it needs to be intersection. I don't know why it says outside active, but I'll take it. Intersection. It's very important because sometimes it's hard to intersect with the circle or a curved surface. Exactly. Now I'm going to go from this one endpoint over to this intersection. I need to see an intersection. It's very important. Click. If you don't get an intersection, you won't be able to do the next step, which is push this in. This is the fun part. You should have one surface here and one surface here. When I click it, I'm going to push back on face, and it's actually gone even though it's still there. It's just barely there. I'm just going to click the line and backspace or delete, and click that one and backspace or delete. Cool, huh? So the sound will pass out of the phone and around in here into this sound chamber, and it's going to project out at us. Cool, huh? Audio engineering. Let's do the same thing on this side. We're going to repeat it. So I'll get the line tool, click, intersection, awesome. Click at this endpoint and intersection down here. See, look, it'd be easy to think I got it right there on the line, but it's not. It needs to be all the way to the intersection. Push-pull tool again. Click in. And again, this one doesn't like to delete. I'm not sure why. But if you just get the lines, you're going to be good to go. Backspace. Backspace. Sweet. Look at that. We've got our, well, it's funny, our dimension line disappeared. But anyway, we've got our phone speaker middle section all done. Save our work and move on to the next video.